point of time. So let's get straight to our show, Your Stocks. Let's introduce our guest first. We have Vishal Malkani's answer all your stock queries, and we have Feroze with us as well in the studio. He's going to answer all your personal finance queries. So let's kick off the show. Let's get our first caller who's...
Alright, so let's answer one more query then before we take that break. Anand Rathi has called in from Hubli. Hi Anand, what's your question?
Yeah, hello ma'am. I just wanted to know, is this the right time to invest in mutual funds? If so, which one to choose? Either like HDFC Top 200 or ICICI?
Okay, and is there a reason, any particular goal for which you're looking to invest, and how much money do you think you want to invest?
That's what I wanted to know from you people. That is, I can invest on a fixed plan like monthly 2,000 rupees.
Okay. Feroze?
Right. Anand, I think mutual fund you generally will have all the time would be a good time to invest in mutual fund, because it's a very diverse kind of a basket where you have debt funds, you have equity funds, mixtures of those. So it's of course a very good time to invest in a mutual fund as against conventional assets like a fixed deposit and stuff, because you will be able to create more wealth by using mutual funds. Now coming specific of what should you invest your 2,000 rupees per month, I would probably recommend, like you said, HDFC Top 200. I would rather choose a HDFC equity fund, which is a better managed fund by the same fund manager. So HDFC equity could be a good start point. And in the ICICI category, if you have some affinity towards these asset management companies, you can stick with ICICI Focus Blue Chip. These two funds are a good start point for somebody to start building his portfolio to meet his goals.
All right, then that's the advice coming in for you. But the Nifty is not doing much. Let's slip in a short. We're going to come back. We'll answer more of your stock queries as well as your personal finance queries. Stay tuned.
Forward. Finally, finally, I think we can answer just one final query before we wrap up on the show. Heath Purohit has written to us from Mumbai. He says he earns 20,000 rupees a month and pays about 5,000 as EMI towards his education loan, and now wants advice on what would be a good investment plan for him. Feroze.
So I think Heath, you're earning, you're also doing your MBA. I think it's very good that you've also started thinking about savings and investments. I think it's a very credible thing to do. I think I will recommend you 3 funds. One would be a Mirai India Opportunities Fund. Another one would be probably a Franklin Prima Fund, and the debt category, a Franklin Corporate Bond Opportunities Fund. It could be 3 funds. Make sure that your asset allocation is right. 70% of your money in the first 2 ones, which I said, and the last one can take 30% of your money. And keep saving and increasing your savings over long periods of time, and you will make a lot of money.
All right. On that note, Feroze, thanks very much for answering that question, and the others. Vishal, thanks also for joining in and answering our viewers' queries. We need to wrap up on your stocks, but do stay tuned. Closing bell will take you through all the last hour action.
CNBC TV18, celebrating 15 years of leadership.